I'm here with some of the new Atlan filters. This builds on the success of the original Atlan filter. However, the media is now replaceable, which means that when the media in one of these guys is exhausted, the body can be reused, which is far better for the environment. These still have the same key features that the original Atlan filter had. It has the same media, both in volume and type, and not only will this target suspended solids, it will also target your dissolved nutrients and your dissolved heavy metals, such as copper and zinc. We still have the same feet system, where the filter body is actually up off the floor, and it keeps the filters up out of the muck and stops the media getting needlessly clogged. And last but not least, we still have the same very efficient vertical backflush system. That is one of the reasons that our media lasts for so long.